Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I really need to get caught up in my work planner. I am falling behind. The hurrier I go, the behinder I get. So what I thought I would do is use some of these stickers that I received from Let's Get Planned. I'm not sure what's in here. I haven't seen what the new releases are, but I'm hoping that I can use something from this to do my weekly setup. So let's see what we've got. Hope I'm not cutting anything important. Okay. All right. Woo! Lots of dolls I see. So again, this is from Let's Get Planned. I will link to them in the description box below, so you can go over and check out their shop. So we've got Bonnie. Cute color. This is Ruby, Coco, Bentley. This is Chance. I like her cat eyes. This would have been great for Pinktober. This is Amber. Ooh, love her dress too. Portia. Then this is Work Hard, Play Hard. I turn my dreams into reality by praying for what I want, knowing my self-worth, living in my purpose, and working hard. This is AG2 Fall. Cute. Ooh, living abundantly in peace and love. Love the pumpkins and the florals. That's very pretty. And it goes with this. That's really pretty. Burgundy blooms. Love those too. Ooh, you get two. Okay, that's really nice as well. Right up my alley. This is a latte love for me. So I guess this is coffee themed. Oh, this one is cute too. I run on coffee and peace. I am like a frappuccino, sweet, bold, and delicious. So these go together. And then we have It's Me Season. All I need is a warm drink, cozy blanket, and some quiet time to rejuvenate myself. Got like a little flat lay right there. Warm and Cozy Part 1. Then this is Warm and Cozy Part 2. Love the orange of those pumpkins. Okay, so this one is beautiful. Autumn Vibes. I think that's the one I'm going to use. And I'm not even going to check my my sticker planner to see what I'm supposed to be using, because I think I'm going to use this. This is so pretty. Autumn Vibes, Part 1 and Part 2. Love the color scheme. I like the blues and the mauve colors with the burgundy, touch of burgundy. I like that. Let's set that aside. Then we have Grateful, Part 1. So this is a kit. Has some full boxes, some header strips. I need to use these too. I got to set up another planner. But this is Grateful Part 1, Part 2. I like that. This is Grateful Part 3. So it's a whole kit. And Grateful Part 4. So here we go. This is the whole kit. So you get full boxes, washi strips, and headers on these two sheets. Then Part 3 is some bullet or dots. More of a washi strip, some deco, and a quote, and the days of the week. You get a doll. Then this one is your half boxes, quarter boxes, more washi strips and headers, and some functional, these aren't actually script, but functional header stickers, I guess you would say. Then this is the last page. This is Faith and Purpose. It says, led by faith and propelled by purpose. I am capable, I am purposeful, I am strong, I am fierce. And this has drive and conviction. And there she is. So yeah, I'm sticking with this being my favorite, and that is what I'm going to use today. Be sure to go over and check out Let's Get Planned. They have awesome stickers, and I love that they're starting to do more sheets with deco and kits and things like that. Go check them out, and make sure you let them know that Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic sent you. All right, let's get started on this weekly setup. So this is where I'll be starting. I'm going to be doing the 31st through the 6th. Still haven't changed out the disc. I know someone mentioned in the comments that maybe if I put more on the disc. I think I have quite a bit on the disc, as you can see here. And yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't help. So as soon as I saw this is a little why I don't like to use cardstock in my planners. But as soon as I saw this blue pumpkin, I thought about this washi tape from Simply Gilded. Now this is kind of like a spring vibe, but I'm going to use it anyway. It does have bunny rabbits on it, but it doesn't matter. I'm using it. And I'm sure I have some box. Oh, look at that pumpkin. That's so pretty. Let's go ahead and put down the washi and go from there. Then something for the top. Okay, I think I'm going to use this washi from Simply Gilded. I'm not going to spend too much time trying to pick out a washi. I think I'm just going to go with this. Again, it's got a spring vibe, but we're going to make it fall. Maybe I can incorporate this somehow. We'll get to that. Okay. I want to do this, but I don't want to waste the flowers. But I think I'm just going to do it. So if I put that there. Just put that right there. Go ahead and trim this off. I love the bike. So that's the one I'm going to use. The doll with the bike. I probably should have saved my flowers. Okay, these are very delicate, so you have to be careful with the vinyl. Let's use this here. I think I need to look into some boxes. So I have these. I shouldn't have put that up so far. It's gonna bug me. Okay. Let's see, I think I can use this blue. Let's go for it. I think I'm gonna save that floral. Let's see, can I get away with these? Because I really need to use these. So there, then let's try another color. Let's use this. And this. Okay, so there's that. Let's use this. Okay. All right, I think that's it for the boxes. Now let's see what other deco we can pull from here. Let's try to finish this sheet first, except for that beautiful blue pumpkin down there. Let's do that. Kind of really want to put that blue pumpkin, but I'm going to hold that one and maybe use this one. All right, I don't know if these were a mistake because they seem to just be standing out to me, but maybe we can balance it off with some of this burgundy washi because they are so dark. And this is perforated washi, so it specifically can fit a 1.5 inch box like that. I think that helped pull it together a little bit more. I feel like it's a little empty up there, but I'm not finished. So, all right, let's see what scripts I can use from here. So these are script stickers that are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. If you didn't know, I do have a Patreon. The inserts that I'm using for this spread are also available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. And yeah, so if you're interested in digitals, I do have other digitals available. Go over and come over and check us out, see what it's about. I will link to my Patreon in the description box below. So let's do, I think I'm gonna do this week. I haven't done that in a while. Hopefully there's room for it. Let's see. Yeah, I can get away with that, I think. Then do I have some checklists that I can use? All right, so that is it. I didn't even put anything for Halloween here. Maybe I should. Let me just see what I got. Even though I didn't do any Halloween decoration. Something cute for Halloween. Let's do a little ghost. One of these little ghost paintings. And then, don't I have a Halloween sticker? I might just do All Hallows Eve instead of Happy Halloween. And then throw in a couple of bats for good measure. Okay, that's cute. So that is it. That is the spread for the week of October 31st through November 6th. I used washi tape from Simply Gilded, deco and doll sticker from Let's Get Plan. Boxes and scripts are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons along with the printable inserts. The little ghost icon is from Piper Paper Company. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.